Tutorial 3, Designing Forms and Templates. In this video, we'll look at how we can create generic forms that can be turned into templates that will allow us to quickly and easily build new applications. Let's start by looking at form design. In this example, we have an area for the header, the body, and the footer. Typically, a header and a footer will have a fixed height, and the body area will expand and contract to fit the content within it. The header will hold the title of the information inside the body, and the footer will have the action buttons. We'll begin by creating a standard dashboard. We'll call this Standard Action Dashboard. And this is where we'll create our new form. On the dashboard, right-click and select Create Form. Call the form Standard Action Form. Here we're creating a new form. However, you can repurpose existing components. Tick Show Vertical Scroll Bar. This allows content to expand without compromising visibility by adding a vertical scroll bar. Auto Size. This will resize the form to automatically use all available space. Next, set direction to column for a single column layout. Justify to start flex to start from the left hand side, and align to stretch to evenly space the items in the column. Now tick Prevent Dragging, remove the top and left absolute positions and save your changes. Now we will add the header area. Open the basic palette, drag an area onto the form. Right click and find an explorer. This will show us where the area has ended up. Open its configuration form and rename it Area Header. Remove the auto size as we will want this to be a fixed height, and change the direction from a single column into a row. Also set the alignment to center so that we center it in our row. Now we'll set the fixed height of our header to 60 pixels. And tick Prevent Dragging so we don't inadvertently move our area. Now in the repository, we'll move down to Shared Styles. Here we're going to create a style that we can use for the title of our header. Give this the name Title and set the font size to 24. Finally, let's set a CSS tag of padding left so that we can move the title away from the edge of the screen. We'll set this to 10 pixels. Now let's add a title to our form. Select it, and on the Shared Styles, click the A. Move up to the Applications and open up the Contact Manager application. In here we'll see a set of styles. Select our new title style and add that to the Shared Styles. Remove the height and remove the width, and this will mean that the content within this title will automatically expand. We'll now add the area body. Drag another area onto your form and find it in the repository. We'll rename this to be Area Body. We'll tick the Show Vertical Scroll Bar so that our content can expand without compromising visibility. We'll tick Auto Size so that we use all available space. We'll leave the column Justify and Align as they are. And we'll set the tab index to 2 so the user can tab through the screen in an ordered fashion. Click Prevent Dragging and save your changes. Previous videos we created a functioning styled footer. We'll reuse that here. In the repository, open the Dashboard Contact Manager. Unlock the dashboard and select the area at the bottom. We'll find this in the repository, right click on it and say Copy as Template. If we now expand the layout templates, we can see that our simple button holder has been added. Now we can drag it from here onto our new dashboard and it creates a functioning action button set. Select the newly added area, check the settings, setting a tab index if required, and then finally clicking Prevent Dragging so we don't inadvertently move it. Save all your changes and scroll down in the repository until you find the standard action form. Here, we'll right click on it and use the copy as template to create a template from our form. Close the window that opens and we can see under the layout templates our new action form.